Hey. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Diesel, and you are watching the ShadeSnSoleS channel. Now you may be asking, Diesel, why you bringing those shoes out? Didn't this one release early on? Didn't you post about this already on your IG? Yes, I did. I made a video out of this, and I did post me wearing this on my IG if you do follow me on IG. But what is the significance of these shoes? They are the Answer 5s. Okay, Answer 5s, the regular ones, mid, whatever, right? Mid top. They came out with lows. Okay, they came out with lows on the Answer 5s, but they didn't release in the US. So contacted my friend. I said, friend, go grab me these shoes because I need the lows. They haven't released in the US yet. I need them ASAP. What my friend do? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Reebok Answer 5 lows. Box tag reads size 8. That is not my true to size. I went down half a size because Answer 5 lows, I gotta go down half size. Or not the lows, just the regular Answer 5s. And questions, I have to go down half a size. White, black, M silver. Unisex, basketball, made in Vietnam, whatever. There you go. I don't know when these are coming to the US or if they are ever coming to the US, because same as the question lows, they didn't come out here yet. They didn't come out here yet. They came out everywhere else, but not in the US. Let's check this out. Out of all the Answer 5s, this is one that I've been waiting on. Let's check this out. Hold on one second. There you go. There you go. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. OG feels, baby. Let's go. All right. Bro. Would you look at that? Okay. There you go, man. There you go. Oh my god. You guys have no idea how happy I am, man. But before we do a comparison, let's read on the product description. Answer 5 low shoes, leather shoes inspired by a basketball legend. 5th installment, installment of Allen Iverson's signature shoe. Shoe line draws inspiration from basketball and hip hop. The upper is made of supple leather. Supple, is that the right word? Supple, for a soft, flexible feel. A 13 jewel showcases Iverson's brand. Yeah, find that. Where the hell is that? 13 jewel showcases Iverson's brand. DMX cushioning moves air from heel to toe for comfort. Does this one really have the DMX? I don't know. I know this one had the iPack, but we'll go see. Specifications: leather upper is soft and durable. DMX cushioning moves from air, heel to forefoot and back as you move. TPU mid-foot shank extends to upper for stability. Low cut design for mobility. Color product EF7601. All right. So that is the product description. Now to real life differences. So I have the OG white and red and the Bethels that just came out months ago. Differences: toe cap, patent leather on the OG. Bethels were suede because this is an all suede upper. This one is a leather. Okay, leather. Okay, majority of the upper material on this one, supple leather. Is this supple leather? I don't know, but it's the same type of leather that this one has. Let me take the shoe tree out so it doesn't distort how the shoe feels. There you go. This is the same ass leather on this one. This one got suede. This is probably the best part of the shoe that I like, is the overlay right here of the shoe. This one is that soft, not soft, but the texture is soft, but the leather itself is just like typical leather. This one right here, I don't even know what to name this finish, man. I don't even know. It's like a bubbly type of material. I don't even know what this material is, I'll be honest with you. But this one, look at that leather, bro. Look at that leather. I love this. I love this one on the lows. I love this material. Okay, going up. So I'm gonna put away the Bethels real quick because this is just all suede right there and then leather in the inside. Let me just compare it to the OG one. Let me get the other side so we can get a real side-by-side comparison. Alright, so you can see right here where the cut is. This one's going there. See the difference? There's an extra height right here where this one doesn't. That's the difference right there. Let me lower this down so you guys can see. It's not much, but there is a difference. There you go. It's not even by much, man. Right there. That's the difference. Okay, but yes, back to both of them. Back, patent leather. This one's the same. Nothing's changed. So there is none of this extra stuff on this one, but it is thicker right here on the heel portion. It's thicker. I3 is smaller. Then this one is smaller than this one. Tongue separate. Okay, so this one is like have a mesh netted right there. See that material on the tongue? The laces are the same height of the lace loop. Very subtle difference right here. Very subtle difference, but there is a big material change on the net that's here, the mesh net right there, and on this one. Now, which one you like better, that's gonna be up to your preference. Let me take the shoe tree out. Okay, there you go. Inside of the shoe, Iverson's face, obviously covered with that tag, and yeah, that is the shoe itself, man. I am so happy to have this. Let's actually do an on foot for this shoe right here.